Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 EVS subject. In our previous video we have completed our lesson number 16. So today I will explain you your paper style. Okay. Your syllabus is chapter 11, 12 and 13. You have to memorize chapter 11, 12 and 13. In your paper there is 5 questions and all questions have 4 marks. Select the option, first one, second fill in the blanks, third match the following, for write true or false, and fifth answer the followings. Okay, and your total marks is 20. So how you have to write paper? You must have to write your name, roll number and your division on your paper, okay, on your answer sheet. Now let's start revision with the question 1. Select the best option. Okay. First one from chapter number 11. In which of the following vehicle can more than 100 people travel at the same time? So which is the right option? It's a B, train. Which vehicle has 3 wheelers? Bicycle, scooter, auto rickshaw or car? So auto rickshaw is the correct option. Third one, which vehicle is used for air travel? It's an aeroplane. Fourth one, which animals are used in mountainous regions to travel from one place to another? It's a horse. Fifth one, which two-wheeler vehicle do children use to go to school? Scooter, bicycle, pedal rickshaw or bullock cart? It's a bicycle. Sixth one, which vehicle is useful for farming? Which one, students? It's a tractor. Seventh, which of the following vehicles runs on electricity? Bus, coal train, auto rickshaw or bullet train? It's a bullet train. Bullet train runs on electricity. Now eighth one, which vehicle is used for taking sick people to hospital? Police van, fire engine, an ambulance or a bus? It's an ambulance. Ambulance is used for taking sick people to hospital. Now from chapter 12, select the option. The doctor and nurse work. Where they work? At the construction workplace, at the bus stand, in the hospital or at the tea shop? It's in the hospital. Okay, C is the correct option. Your slipper has been broken. To whom will you go to repair it? Carpenter, tailor, cobbler or potter? To whom will you go? It's a C, cobbler. Third one, you want to build a house. Which worker will you call first? Cobbler, potter, mason or cutler? So it's a mason. Mason is a correct option. Fourth one, who will you go to for repairing scooter, car, etc.? Mason, mechanic, cobbler or shopkeeper? C is a correct option, mechanic. Where will you go if you need to withdraw some money from your saving? To a hospital, to a post office, to a library or to a bank? So, to a bank. We go to a bank if we need to withdraw some money. Okay? Now, chapter 13 MCQ. First one. What does Seema's father read aloud for her nanny? So, the newspaper. Seema's father read the newspaper aloud for her nanny. Okay? Second one. What does Ravi Bhaiya use while walking? A white stick. Ravi Bhaiya use a white stick while walking. Which script is used for the people who cannot see? It's a Braille script. Fourth one. On how many dots is the Braille script based? On 6 dots. Okay. Fifth one. Who was the creator of the Braille script? Who creates Braille script, students? It's a Louis Braille. Now this second question, fill in the blanks. Okay, so it is chapter 11's fill in the blanks. When there is a fire, we call the dash for help. So when there is a fire, we call the fire brigade for help. Second one, the dash is the most useful vehicle for village people. The bullock cart is the most useful vehicle for village people. Third one, the dash is the fastest way to travel between two big cities. So the airplane is the fastest way to travel between two big cities. Fourth one, for selling vegetables and other similar things, a dash is useful. So for selling vegetables and other similar things, handcart is useful. Fifth one, firemen use a fire engine for dash. So firemen use a fire engine for putting out the fire. Sixth one, the animal useful in farming is bullock. Now chapter 12, fill in the blank. First one, a dash takes care of the coming and going of vehicles at crossroad. So which one is correct, students? A traffic police takes care of the coming and going of vehicles at crossroads. Second one, I want to cut my hair and style them. So I will go to a, from whom we will go? We will go to a barber. Okay, so barber is a correct answer. The place where people go to have snacks, a meal or to stay is a hotel. Hotel is a correct answer. Fourth one, a dash does the work of selling flowers and garlands. So which one is correct, students? It's a florist. A florist does the work of selling flowers and garlands. Abdul has to go for namaz, so he will go to a mosque. Abdul has to go for namaz, so he will go to a mosque. The short hand of the clock points to 5 and the long hand points to 12. That means it is 5 o'clock. Okay, 5 is the correct answer. Now chapter 13, fill in the blanks. Ravi Bhaiya has a good sense of humor because he makes us dash. So Ravi Bhaiya has a good sense of humor because he makes us laugh. Louis Braille lost his eyesight because a dash hurt his eyes. So Louis Braille lost his eyesight because a pointed tool hurt his eyes. Third one, the Braille script is based on dash points. The Braille script is based on 6 points. Fourth one, the Braille script is used by dash people. So the Braille script is used by blind people. Nowadays, Braille can even be written with the help of dash. Nowadays, Braille can even be written with the help of computer. Okay, students? So memorize this. It will help you for your exam. Okay? Thank you.